Imagine waking up tomorrow morning, checking your phone, and seeing that while you were asleep, an AI bot worked for you, made money for you, and never complained, never got tired, and never took a break. Sounds crazy? It's not. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to train your own AI bot to generate income 24/7. And trust me, you don't need to be a programmer or tech wizard to get started. Stay with me, because what you're about to discover could change how you think about online income forever. And hey, before we dive in, if you're serious about learning how to multiply your income, smash the like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. Here's the thing, we're living in an era where AI isn't just smart, it's profitable. From chatbots that sell products, to AI writers that create content, to trading bots that scan markets while you sleep. The opportunities are endless, but most people miss the point. They think AI is only for big corporations or expensive startups. The truth, anyone with the right strategy can train an AI bot to generate real income, whether it's through e-commerce, affiliate marketing, or digital services. And today, I'll break it down step by step. What is an AI money-making bot? First, let's clear the fog. What exactly is an AI bot that makes money? Think of it like your digital employee. You give it instructions, it learns patterns, and it performs tasks that either save you money or directly generate income. Example, AI chatbots that handle customer support and upsell products. Example, AI copywriters that generate high-converting product descriptions. Example, AI trading bots that monitor stock or crypto markets 24/7. Now, I'm not saying AI bots are magic, because you still need to train them the right way. But once set up, they can become a system that works tirelessly for you. Step by step. How to train your AI bot. Step 1. Define your money pathway. What do you want the bot to do? Sell digital products. Grow your affiliate sales. Automate trading. Pick one income stream, so your AI has a clear focus. Step 2. Choose the right AI tool. There are bots for everything: ChatGPT style bots for customer support, Jasper for copywriting, ManyHat for sales funnels, and algorithmic bots for trading. Pick one that fits your pathway. Step 3. Feed it quality data. AI is only as good as what you feed it. If you want it to sell, feed it winning sales scripts. If you want it to write, give it your best blog samples or competitor analysis. Step 4. Automate and connect. Link your AI bot with real-world tools, payment processors, email marketing platforms, social media, or e-commerce stores. This is how it makes real money while you sleep. Step 5. Monitor and optimize. Remember, AI is powerful, but not perfect. Set checkpoints, monitor performance, and keep refining. The better your training, the smarter and more profitable your bot becomes. Let me give you a real-world scenario. An e-commerce store owner used an AI chatbot to handle all customer queries. Not only did it cut support costs by 80%, but the bot also upsold products, generating an extra $2,500 a month without additional ad spend. Another example, a freelancer trained ChatGPT to write and pitch proposals on Upwork. Within weeks, the bot helped them land more contracts, doubling their monthly income. That's the power of training your AI bot strategically. The Profit Genius method. Here's where most people fail. They set up a bot once and expect magic. But the secret I call Profit Genius AI is all about picking one clear income stream, training with laser-focused data, automating connections, optimizing continuously. When you follow this system, you don't just have a bot, you have a profit partner that works tirelessly, day and night. So, the question is, are you going to watch AI make others rich? Or are you going to train your own bot to work for you? If you got value from this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and drop a comment with AI bot if you're ready to set up your money-making AI. I'll be sharing exclusive tools and strategies in the next video, so make sure you don't miss it.